Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. So in this video I'm going to share with you the example how I took trade on these consolidate area by using ICT concept. As you've seen, the price is still under these higher high and the higher low on US 100 from 10th April till 17. I took 4 trades. So in this video I will show you 2 examples. In the next video I will show you another 2 example. But the thing is that why I'm making this video, so you can understand how you can approach the market technically by using ICT concept. If you are till the end, you will get to know that how you should approach the market and which time, because in consolidate area price usually go up and down, and you will be confused what you should do, or you do trade aggressively and you blow your account, or you fail your funded account. I will also show you the proof on my funded account of executions. So let's get started. So I start with our basically from higher time frame. So I will go to the weekly and I will show you from weekly what is my perspective. First thing that's come into my mind, that is that we should have some sort of POI, right? The point of interest area. So we got some weekly volume imbalance. Okay, even though the weekly volume balance is very you see is not that much narrow, it's narrow, but because it is weekly, it's a very bigger higher time frame. So as a intraday trader, for me is a very bigger higher time frame weekly. So for me this is a very strong POI. From there I expecting, even though my price if go for higher highs, but I am expecting a little bit reaction from here. So as you can see, after the Trump speech, the market you see aggressively make a bigger gap. You see close from here and actually open from here. So this was a big gap, and after that market and running to that volume imbalance, and from there you see it's rejected, and this week closed on bearish. So then I go to the 4-hour time frame and I can see we have this area with alignment of 4-hour fair value gap. So we have multiple confluences that from here the most chance of price will go decline. Okay, it will decline even it consolidate or whatsoever card. So once price reach on 2 p.m. that the end of that day, 9th April, so that PM section I'm watching that thing. So I am expecting the next day most probably price will drop until we have these breaker, because as you can see it's a market structure shift from 4-hour time frame, but we cannot say it will be go higher prices or it will low, but it can give a reaction on our POI areas like breaker block, order block, or any fair value gap, or any volume imbalance, or any new day opening gap. And it give reaction if it's in a higher time frame. Not I'm talking about 15-minute or 5-minute, I'm talking about a 4-hour, daily, 1 hour. If you see like this type of things, you always see a reaction. Okay, so now we have the confluences. Okay, so now we will also go to 1 hour, so we also see what is going on there. So exactly what happened, price tap on 9th April on the volume imbalance, rejected. Okay, so after rejection, if you can see the first PD ray that give induction to me on Asian time frame, because this is the Asian block, London and New York, right? The first indication is that the price that fair value gap, this fair value gap, okay, this fair value gap, okay, is become inverse. Why is become inverse? Because the price closed down and then went again to the consequent approachment, the midpoint of this fair value gap, and give us the reaction. So after that I confirmed, basically for me I confirmed that price have more likely chance to hit our daily objective. Okay, sorry, 4-hour objective, and it make me more believe on that once we have these order block, okay, once we close below these, we also have a good chance to go downs. But what happened basically is just touch these our inversion on 1 hour and it's give us the reaction. Okay, so let's go to the 5 minute. And the thing is, always I trade 9 o'clock of New York time. Okay, so that's make perfect setup for me. Okay, so here everything you see, this my open at exact 9 o'clock. Okay, my session, and my time always is UTC -4. If you are watching from any country, your time should be this. And also you can put the indicator of Asian session range, and you can put the Asia color and London and New York like that. Okay, and you will put like this line if you want. You have the objective that your price can reach. Okay, now what you need only a confirmation on smaller time frame, right? So here what's happened, we are bearish, right? So price in the London is go upside, took the liquidity. Okay, the people who is are sitting here on this fair value gap, right? If they move their stop loss from here to here, you know, it will be stopped out. Okay, this is the basic concept of liquidity. You should always watch on smaller time frame before price run down to its actual level. It will hunt the liquidity in many points, and you will see it's a choppy, it's look like whatever you say. Okay, as you can see, it will be took the liquidity, because if price make the break of structure here also fair value gap, right? So once it's breakdown, people think it will not go upside again, but as you can see, it's again visit this area. Okay, and it's going downside. Okay, so after 9 o'clock we see a shift. Okay, but I was aggressive. Okay, I see this thing, this market took the liquidity. Once it's closed there, I took exact trade here in this candle, in this area. Okay, I took exact trade here, and until my 1 to 2 is completed, I don't need to reach here. But my thing is that if I am also late sometime on this area, if I don't take trade here, I have then 1 minute time frame, and I will wait until it's reached to our objective. Okay, so this is the first trade. I will show you also the execution here. So this candle I saw, okay, 8:30, because it's the news candle, it's go upside, took the liquidity, right? Once it's go down, I am pretty confident that it will go now down, and it should not go above of this candle. So my stop loss was above of this week. Okay, and as you can see, I took exactly trade here, and my TP hit once my 1 to 2 is completed. I was watching until price reach its objective, right? So this was the first example. Now we will go to another example, that the next day I didn't took the trade because it was still between Asia, and you see the Asia already moved too much and price was consolidated and like this. But 1 minute, as a 1 minute perspective you can take, because nowadays market are too much fast. Even a small move have almost 300 pips. It's insane. Okay, so the next day what happened, price on the date of 14th April, price reach again to our 4-hour level. Okay, if we go to a 4-hour time frame on, then price, as you can see, is reach again to our this area. Okay, and from there it's give us the good reaction. Why is that? Why I was believing that it will work? Because we have also concept of smart money, where it said that price will actually move after take the inducement. Okay, the first inducement. So for me, this is also the extreme inducement. Their price should not close above it, and if once is that I also use as it is a CRT. Okay, so price have make a valid good order block here. Okay, and then price close below it. Okay, once it's going upside in this candle, okay, 10 o'clock, I took almost trade here in this 9 to 10 o'clock, and it's reached my this objective. It was a new day opening gap. It was my objective, and price reached exactly here and give me a good pip. But I took here the entry a little bit aggressively. I will also show you here how I took the trade that one. So here, as you can see, price reach to one area and it go aggressively downside, right? And then once you start moving upside, you can scale your trade, and but your stop loss should be up here. So I basically took the trade almost on this candle, okay, and I put my stop loss above of this area or block, and my target was almost here, and I enjoy this move. Okay, so once you understand your strategy, okay, so here's the see, basically this is a 22 model. Okay, we are in the PO area, market structure shift, in the 50% discount. If you see here, everything is on alignment. Okay, above 50%. If you also see, I believe this is also the OTE level. Okay, all your setups is working. The only thing is you have to just little bit study on it, practice on it, and it will start working, believe me on it. Okay, so this is a second trade. Now I will show you the example on my funded account. So here is the trade I told you. Here I took sale and exit on my objective, right? And as you can see, is almost 163, 300 pips with 150 stop loss, 300 pips almost the TP, 1 to 2 risk to reward. These how you can approach the market. You don't need 10 trade every day. You need 2 to 3 trades in a week that will help you and understand the market very well. If you still confusing, okay, because many times this happen that if you knows, you also mark out the areas like me, okay, but what happened, you are not enough confident to execute the trades. Okay, you may be confident, but you may be think this was the liquidity sweep of a London session low. You maybe think that like that, but then the bias work make then the bias enter here and make you confident, give you a confident that no bro, this is not a liquidity sweep, actually we are bearish and we should sell here, because even we lost, no problem. Why we put the stop loss here? We are here like risk to reward. We don't need 100% of win rate, only a 50% win rate with a 1 to 2 risk to reward with one funded account. That's enough for a life. Okay, so I hope you learn something in this video. In the next video I will share two another examples, okay, how I took the trades, okay, and how you can approach market like me. Okay, so if till now you didn't get the funded account, make sure you join this funded account. Have this is instant funded. I am not taking any account which have evaluation accounts. So in this funded account you only pay a smaller price like $200 and $250 for a 50K account, instant funded account with 5% daily drawdown, 10% overall, 80% profit split. And the thing is the consistency score is 25, means 4 trade of any risk to reward, and after you get the payout. Okay, so you will get the link in the description. Make sure you join from there. Don't forget, subscribe the channel, like the video, join my Telegram channel. Until next time, be safe.